afternoon, and welcome to Governor Andres B. Burns Memorial Gymnasium. We're proud to present Bugbugan sa Apa, Tapatan ng Kampiyon. This professional boxing event is presented to you by Solid North Promotions, promoter Miguel Greg and Duarte of Tayo Apa, in cooperation with the Solid North Parties headed by Congresswoman Jane Burns. Ladies and gentlemen, this professional boxing event is a very special one, a birthday offering for Congressman J.B. Burns of the Long District of Agra. Ladies and gentlemen, all professional bouts are sanctioned while the games and the Wizard Board Chairman Attorney Francisco Rivera, Commissioner Angel Bautista, Commissioner Attorney Manuel Plaza III, the Chief of Boxing Rodil Marao, and the Assistant Chief of Boxing Kenneth So. And now, ladies and gentlemen, here is your first bout, is scheduled for 4 rounds in the bantamweight division. The 3 judges at ringside, scoring this bout on a 10-point mark system, will be Oliver Garcia, Antonio Comia, and Hilco. And when the bell rings, your referee judge of the action, Alpi Johoso. Ladies and gentlemen, introducing first, fighting out of the blue corner, wearing white with blue and weighing 170 pounds with a professional record of 1 win from Doc J Boxing Gym of Osami City. Ladies and gentlemen, Mark Anthony Alba. And his opponent across the ring, fighting out of the red corner, wearing blue with red trim, also weighing 170 pounds, his professional debut from Keyboards Boxing Gym of Bacoor, Cavite, introducing Polimar Napase.
So our first bout of the night, the debutant fighter from Keyboards Boxing Stable, Rolimar Napase, making his professional debut against Mark Anthony Agbay with a professional record of 1 wins and no loss. This is a bantamweight bout. Here we go, Agbay versus Napase. Weight exchange from both fighters here at the start. Good left hand to the body from Agbay. Agbay pushing forward against Napase. Right hook. Body shot from Agbay. Napase tried to attack but yumakap agad itong si Agbay. Here's a clinch. Great job from Napase. Body jab again from Napase. Great exchange with their lead hands. Great right hand from Napase. Last 10 seconds of the very first round. Great opening round between these two fighters. Now entering the second round. Round number 2. Agbay trying to come forward, but there's a great left hand connected from Napase. Great right hook, follow up by a left hand from Napase again. Great straight right from Agbay. Great liver shot from Napase. Left hand connected from Napase. Left hand connected from Agbay. Referee giving a warning for Agbay. Great right uppercut from Mapase. And there's Agbay with his own shots. Left unconnected from Mapase. Sumala yung jab ni Tony Napase. Body shot there from Agbay. 10 seconds remaining here at the second round. And that will be the end of the second round. So this boxing event is promoted by Mayor Glenn Eduarte and a birthday offering to Congressman J.B. Bernos of the Lone District of Abra. Third round ng bakbakan ni Napase at ni Agbay. Tinira ni Agbay yung bodega ni Napase. Nakatama ng straight left hand itong si Napase at sinundan pa niya ng right hook. Great right hand and the left hand from Napase. Body shots from Napase and there's a great counter from Agbay. Sinusubukan din agad bumalik nito ni Mark Anthony Agbay kapag nakakatama itong si Napase. Body shot ang naipatama ni Agbay. Great. Uy, mukhang nagkauntugan. Straight left hand from Napase. There's a clinch. Jab from Napase. Straight left hand again from the guy from Keyboards Boxing Stable. Right hand connected from Mark Anthony Agbay. That will be the end of the third round. Again, this is promoted by Mayor Glenn Duarte, and we are now entering the 4th round between Napase and Mark Anthony Agbay. Last and final round, first touch gloves. Tingnan natin, there's a great left hand downstairs. Great exchange between these two fighters. Kakabakbakan na dito sa huling round. Ganda ng patamang straight right hand doon ni Mark Anthony Agbay. Clinch. Great exchange again. Patama doon ng kanan nito si Mark Anthony Agbay. Rolimar Napase with a great right hook. Body shot with that left hand by Rolimar Napase. Body shot from Mark Anthony Agbay. Ng palitan, guys. Last 10 seconds of the first bout between Rolimar Napase and Mark Anthony Agbay. And that will be the end of the first bout. So this event again is promoted by Mayor Duarte and a birthday offering to Congressman J.B. Bernos. So we will wait for the official judges scorecard. Boy Villanera as the official judges scorecards.
Ladies and gentlemen, after 4 rounds of boxing, we go to the scorecards. Oliver Garcia scores about 39-37. Tony Collier scores about 39-37. And Hillborn scores in 39-37. All to the winner by unanimous decision, Rolimar Lapase.
A successful professional debut from Keyboards Boxing Stable. Rolimar Lapase got his first victory of his professional career